doing, buddy? Missed. Hey, Snowflake. Hey, Butters, I hear ya. Olivia. What do you want, Butters? What you doing? What you doing? That is Mist, and it looks like Zane. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Butters. Hey, T'Challa. Behind the TV. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, buddy. Hey, Fancy Pants. What do you want, Butters? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Hey, Oliver. Oliver and Olivia. Hey, guys. How you doing? Hey, Lando. Hey, Lando. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, Clemmy. Hey, buddy. Hey, Natasha. How you doing? And there's French fry with their tongue hanging out. How you doing? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, French fry. Hey, Bucky. Hey, Bucky. And Pixel and Pixel's probably in here. There goes Pixel. No, there's Pixel. And that was Gilmore. Hey, Gilmore, where'd you go? Gilmore. Hey, Gilmore. How you doing, buddy? And pop. There we go. I got AC and heat in here in case you're wondering. We go out here. There it is. Let's see what Lumpkin's doing. And maybe Inky is out here. Winky, Winky. There's Inky. Hey, buddy. Lumpkin's probably in one of the cat beds. Cat houses. There she is. I see Lumpkin. Lumpkin. Heading back inside. Doo. It's okay, guys. Hey, French fry, what are you doing? What are you doing, French? Because the only bad thing about her, she spreads litter everywhere. There you go. Washing some clothes. Thanks, John. Hey, the girl. There we go. What's up? What you doing? Hey, sweetie. Hey, Azalea. Birds.